Hi guys, this is Jay here. I am creating a little wall hanging, and this can also be used for a Christmas gift, Father's Day, Mother's Day gift, best friend. It's really simple and easy. You just need these, I'll call them faux Indian arrowheads. I bought these off of Amazon for about 12 bucks. They come in a pack of 50, and there's some sort of, I don't know if they're real agate stone or not, but they feel real and they look pretty real to me. But you can see the little Made in India sticker on the back of every single one of them. I didn't bother to pull that off, I think, except for a few if it was in the way, because nobody sees that on these. But I just got some mat board remnant that I have left over, and you could probably go to your craft store and ask them if they have any mat boards that they're gonna throw away, because I had a large piece of mat board that I cut a frame for a photo that I had taken, and this was the piece that was cut out of it. So I thought it was a pretty good size that I had left over. It's about, I think this is an 8 by 11 or 8 by 10, somewhere around there. It's about the size of that spiral notebook that I have it resting on top of. But yeah, so you could probably get that for maybe free. And the arrowheads, for a bag of 50 of them, was 12. And I made 2 of these displays, so I still have a few arrowheads left over. You know, I just kind of weeded out the ones that were not so good looking, and then I arranged them. I tried to space them evenly. I didn't measure. I just wanted a variety of color and texture and a little bit of the negative white space in there, and I just got the hot glue gun with the clear glue and put it on the back of them, and then secured them down on the mat board and just waited a few minutes for them to dry. And at the end you're going to see where I clean up some of the pieces right there with the my little palette knife I used to just lift the glue up, because I didn't want to knock the arrowheads if they weren't completely set. And then if you need to, you can use a white rubber eraser to erase any of the glue that's kind of very thin and stuck to the board. But yeah, I think this all in all is a really fun craft project to do with kids, or even for yourself. I had fun doing it by myself. And then when it's done, I'm going to frame this and hang it on my wall. I haven't decided on the type of frame. Probably a natural wood frame would look best, or maybe a brass distress frame. But yeah, it turned out pretty well, and I just have it laying on that spiral notebook to keep, that we could see the difference, because my desktop is white there. But yeah, I hope you guys like this, and please subscribe if you do. I'll catch you next time. Bye.